Mhm. And look at Ruby. So the squirrel is here. Isn't that cute? Squirrel. Oh, he's eating. And squirrel is so cute. And I saw turkeys too. Ayan. The cute squirrel. Oh, okay. Let's do the turkey. Turkey here. Oh my God. How many turkey are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So turkey is here. Look the turkey, guys. Hey, look at the turkey. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a turkey here. Ayan. Ang turkey, guys. Look at the turkey. Ayan. Have you seen the turkey, guys? Okay. And there's another one there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 turkeys, guys, there. So look the turkey. These are wild turkey. Ayan. Have you seen it, guys? Sana nakita nyo ha, hindi press. Ayan, turkeys. Turkeys, guys. Ayan. They're so cute. There are 4 of them. All right, there. The other one is eating. Oh, they're coming too close for me. Look at them. Is it that cute? Ayan. Have you seen it, guys? Turkey. There's another one here. Turkey. And there's the 2. And the other one is there. Turkey.